Today we are working on getting some optimizations done for our website. This is a therapeutic massage service out of Northern Virginia, the Manassas area. And what I want to show you today is how to get an individual page optimized for Google so that the page is more likely to show up in a Google search result. Here's our website. What I'm going to do is go over to the back end of the website inside the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to pick a page. So we're going to go to the pages and then all pages. I'm going to pick on the massage services page today, and we'll just take a look and make some pretty simple optimizations that'll just get the page buttoned up. So once we're here in the back end, I'm just going to find that page. Here it is, massage services, and we'll click into it. And there are a small handful, like a half dozen things you should do for every single page on your site to get it optimized for Google or for all search engines. And those are the title tag, the meta description tag, the headers, the body copy, alt text, and any links that might be on the page. So the title tag and the meta description are the first two things that a crawler will see or Google will see when it hits the site. And to find it, once you're in the admin section of the page, just scroll all the way to the bottom if you're in WordPress, and you're going to see this section here. This is for the SEO title, that's the title tag, and the meta description. You can see we don't even have one defined. So for the SEO title, we're going to enter words here. We're going to try to keep it 55-ish characters, plus or minus. A little longer is no big deal, a little shorter is no big deal. But we want to put words that tell the crawler and the user exactly what the page is about, so that both users and Google can see when they interpret the site, they know exactly that they're in the right spot. There's no mistaking it. So Massage in Manassas VA is perfect. Massage services from SpartaWorks is a little bit redundant. So I'm just going to polish this up a little bit. And that's a good SEO title. It has a good keyword, massage services in Manassas VA, has our brand name, everything's good to go with that. Now the meta description, this should be a complete sentence. So the meta description, if you go into Google and you do a search, what you're going to see are a bunch of websites, and this right here is the title tag, the part in the blue text, and then this right here is the meta description, usually, not always, but usually. And so we want the meta description to be a complete sentence and make it enticing so that when a user encounters this, they see something they're likely to click on. So if we flip back into the site, great. So now we have our SEO title, our meta description. Now we're going to go back up. And you see massage services in WordPress. This is going to automatically be an H1 tag. That's a header 1, which means it's the most important header on the page. And then what I like to tell clients is to put your most important keyword in the first sentence of body copy and then forget about it. After that, just write normally and your keyword will appear naturally throughout the rest of the body content. So if you read something about keyword densities and all that, just don't worry about it. Write a good first sentence with your good keyword in it, and then write naturally, and all the variations and permutations of your keyword will appear naturally, and that's what both robots and people want to see. So right here we've got massage services in the first sentence of body copy. We could maybe do something like, that looks good. So here we got massage in Manassas right here into the opening sentence of body copy, and that's all you need. That's all you need to do. So we have the title tag, the meta description tag, the first sentence of body copy. Now we're going to look at this main image here and click on it. We want to get alt text, which is alternate text, to have some keyword that has to do with your website in it. So we're going to assign alt text for that image to be. So now we have our alt text associated with this image. If you ever hover your mouse over an image and see the little words pop up, that's the alt text. It just helps people who are using screen readers to be able to interpret websites. So that also provides a little signal to Google about what the image is about. All the rest of these are already good. We've already got massage services down here. We've got massage services at our Manassas location, massage services for men and women. So we've got a lot of good content on this page. In short, what you want is the target keyword to be in your title tag, your meta description, in your body copy in a couple different areas, in your header tags, and in alt text. If you do that to every page on your site, you'll be ahead of 90% of the other websites out there. Hope this was helpful.